So we want to, and other things we want to see what we have is the items, the basic items that you're going to use when you can. This is sugar, canning salt, not table salt, canning salt. There is a difference. What's the difference, Holly?
Canning salt doesn't have iodine in it.
Bottled lemon juice. Just because you got a bottle of lemon juice in your cupboard like we did and do, doesn't mean it's good because ours expired in 2019.
Right.
This is 2022.
Right.
So keep that in mind. It's been there for a while in the back of the cabinet.
Yeah, and I know like a lot of times you'll think, oh, I have this in my wherever, and then you realize you don't. Or you might think
not as good as you thought it was.
Right, or even just like sugar. You might think you have a whole bag of sugar, and then you go to look and you realize that, oh, you actually probably used it for a recipe, and you have a third of a bag or something.
And you want to use bottled everything here. Whatever you're using, bottled lemon juice, bottled vinegar. I know you can make apple cider vinegar, pear cider vinegar, pineapple cider vinegar at home, but you got to use the bottled stuff because
you want it to be consistent in its acidity. So you want at least 5% level acidity of vinegar.
To make it safe.
To make it safe. So bottled vinegar, like the regular white vinegar and the regular bottled apple cider vinegar that's next to the white vinegar, that's going to be safe like that. If you do run across some other type of vinegar and it states 5% acidity, then you can certainly use it. But if it doesn't say, like I know there's a lot of those rice wine vinegars and wine vinegars, it typically doesn't say, so you don't want to use that.